Welcome everyone. This is Andy 79Z28. We're doing an unboxing today. This is from Papa's place, and I cut it open, but and I saw a note in it, so I read the note first. He sent me a few goodies, more than he had to do. Okay. We'll start off with this is what we started with, what he was going to send to me. And this is for my new Dillon. Let's see if we can get this in the camera here. This is a knob to adjust the powder throw on the Dillon, which is over here. Let's see if we can get this in a little bit. That's my Dillon Square B. And basically, let's see how this goes. This is looks like to be a clicker for the knob. So we put this on. It goes, actually, it's attaching to the powder bar. And then this goes on. Let's see if we can get this on. Gotta line up the hole a little bit. There we go. And that's it. It's on. And there are two screws to tighten it down, and it actually clicks, click at a time. It's pretty neat how that works. So you can move just a hair at a time, and it's numbered, so once you have it set to a point, that works. All right, very good. Thank you very much. Now, let's see what else he sent me. Okay. Ooh. A Papa's place. Magnetic sign. Let's see. Well, that doesn't show up if I put it there, but I'll put it on my freezer, which is across the way here, with all my other little goodies. Okay. And what the hell is this thing? Ah. For Andy. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, for Andy. And this is from Papa. Okay, thank you, Papa. And oh, express shell holders for the Lee. It's a box that holds the Lee express shell holders. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I will load that up, that's for sure. Wow, it fits together great, nice and tight, good spec. Okay, now what do we got here? A bolt. Oh, okay, what's this? Two more goodies. Interesting. He told me about this in an email, but we'll... Okay, let's see. This is... Bag's always a pain in the neck to open. Sorry, I'm not in the picture. We should lower this a little bit now that I got that knob on the Dillon, other than tightening it down. Let's move this over this way a little bit. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me go get the caliper. I think I have one right here. This is an anvil. Oh, it's magnetic. That's pretty cool, man. Let's see if I can get this in the picture. You can never find that. Okay, that's looks like it's pretty solid, printed. And it's got a magnet in it. And you, boom. It's on your caliper. Let's see if I can get this in here right. Focus, focus, focus. Come on. Oh, we're not going to get a focus, and I'm not getting to hold it straight anyway. But that's pretty cool. A little magnetic. That's cool. That'll definitely come in use, because I have one of those, what do they call it? A metal one, aluminum one, you got to screw it on all, but that magnetic, that's pretty cool. Okay. And there's some here. Oh God, he made a, that's what the bolt was for. Okay, he made me a roller handle to go on more or less anything I want. Alrighty. So this will get, I guess this is for the APP press. Very, very nice. Okay. That'll come in handy. I have one, a homemade one that I made, but it's not a roller handle. Okay. That's very good. And now this is something he wanted me. Okay, I didn't show the roller handle. Sorry, guys. It's a roller handle. Very, very nice. And he told me about this, so I got to play with this. I don't use this kind of thing, but I'm going to test it out for him, that's for sure. This is, it's in the picture better. Anybody guess what that is? It's a powder check die. You'll set this into your case, obviously at the height. Lock it in. It's a plastic ring. It works. And then it's got this rod that once you have your powder charge in there, I guess you'll set that. You'll loosen this screw and set your. Damn it! Not in the video. Okay. So you just screw that into your die. You lock it down with the ring. You put your arm down with a case filled with powder, and this arm will just set it to, I guess, well, how would I set it? I would set it, I guess you have to set it up a little higher, because you come down and now, you got powder. So if it's higher than that, you got too much powder. If it's lower than that, you don't have enough powder. And it's a little screw on the top here that you will just tighten on that shaft to your height. Pretty cool. I'll have to test that out and give you my opinion of that. That's pretty good. Alrighty. So we don't want to make the video too long. This is great stuff, man. I'm going to enjoy this stuff. But I'll just do a quickie over here. Let me get this light out of the way. This is, I'm going to move over here, and you're going to see a lot of crap. Okay, this is the try to get a good angle. And there we go. This is the square deal B press that I got. Really don't want to get into the price issue, but I got the complete press with 9mm setup. It's actually was a steel. It's an older original powder throw, and it works great. This white thing on the side, that's actually a camera, one of those ear cameras, and I use it on various presses, and I just to see, looking down, hook it up to my phone or my computer, and I can see the powder charge in the case as it comes around. So basically I got it, the press. All I did was I took it apart, cleaned it, got all the old grease out of it, and then I relubed everything, put it all back together. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I've done, I want to say, I probably loaded about 800 rounds on it already. The only issue I have is occasional case sticking on the powder through funnel. But I did polish that up, and that problem kind of went away. So we tried to kill two birds with one stone with this video. Papa, thank you very much for the goodies. I will put them all to good use. Everybody, you have a great day. This is Andy, 79Z28, sometimes known as the Zinc Master. We'll catch you later, everybody.